welcome back to my channel, and today I will be unboxing my GoPro Black Hero 10. This is a brand new GoPro that I bought, my first GoPro ever, so I'm just going to unbox it for you so we can see what we have. I bought this GoPro from the GoPro site itself because they were having a sale, and I also purchased the GoPro accessory bundle, so it has case and the different types of accessories as well as an SD card included. So that's just the one I purchased, but you can also just purchase the GoPro as well. This is how it came in the mail. There was just a small box it was inside of, and then this was inside of that box. So this is the case. It's just a standard black case. Pretty sturdy, pretty nice to keep the GoPro in. I probably won't be using it as often. I did buy a smaller GoPro case to just take it around easier, but I will use that case if I need to bring the accessories. This is the outer case that was on it. Just shows you the different accessories in the bundle, the GoPro tripod and the batteries and different stands that it comes with, as well as the cable and the adapter. And this just shows you how to upload your photos or videos onto your phone with this quick app on the iPhone and the Android. I will show you how I downloaded it as well, so we can go through this as well. And these are the different settings that are listed on the GoPro as well. All right, so we are ready to get inside of this GoPro case and see what we got. I will start off at the top right here. Just inside are some instructions of how to open the doors on the side, as well as how to download the app to access the GoPro information. And that's about it for this. Also looks like they have some stickers you can use, and then just shows you the different attachments that are inside of this, and then also the actual manual about all the information regarding the GoPro. All right, now I'll go to the bottom right here. I'm pretty sure this is the tripod. It's the biggest object in here, so I'm pretty sure it's a tripod. Just be careful when you unbox yours because everything seems to be connected, so you don't want to throw your GoPro out of there. But the tripod was just encased in this little paper wrap just to keep the legs together. Thought it was pretty cool that it comes with a tripod. It's not too big. It's perfect size. You can hold it in your hand to make it easier to hold the GoPro, and you can also open it and it will become a tripod like this. All right, now we're gonna take out the GoPro itself. Like I said, it's all connected in this little container, so just make sure nothing pops out. Looks like this GoPro is also encased in the paper wrapping just to protect it. I also bought a silicone GoPro case off of Amazon just to go over my GoPro whenever I'm out doing things. So it's not included in this bundle, so I'm not gonna include it in this video. All right, so let's take a look at the GoPro. We have a front camera as well as a front viewing, so you can see yourself. Side right here is a door to open, I believe, to get the battery out as well as to put the cable in. We have the back side. Down here is the little attachments to add onto the tripod and different attachment clips that come in the GoPro bundle. And that's about it on the camera itself. These are just little tools to use to screw on and tighten the attachments that go underneath the GoPro to attach it to a normal tripod. You can attach it to a helmet. I believe you can attach it to a clip that's included in this bundle, as well as the tripod. And here are just the different sizings and the different attachments that you can put your GoPro on. They also give you an extra battery, and I did buy 3 more extra batteries and a battery charger from Amazon as well, since I'm going to be taking this on a big trip. Oh, and they actually have 2 batteries, not 1. This is the clip I was referring to, and those are pretty much all the things that you get in the accessory bundle. I don't know how often I'm going to use the other things, but for sure I'm using the tripod. I may or may not use this other attachments. I don't know if it will be what I'm looking for certain videoing, so we'll see. All right, so I put all of my other attachments back into the case because now I'm going to figure out how to get the SD card in and how to get the battery in. So with the instructions, there is a little side door. It's where the GoPro 10 is on the camera. It's on the other side. There's like a little, it's kind of hard to open. I was struggling a little bit, but you like pop it out first and then you pop it up, and that's how you open it. But in here you can see that's where you put the battery, and there's also a little insert for your SD card, as well as a little cable insert to attach the cable to the charger, which is just a regular square cube that I use for my iPhone, or you can attach it to your computer as well. So this is a little SD card that you can put in. I also got a 256 gigabyte SD card for my bigger trip because this one I believe is only 34, 36, something like that gigabytes, so it's a little smaller. So I definitely wanted to make sure I had a bigger SD card for my longer trip because it's like a two-week trip out of the country. So so I just want to make sure I have enough storage to last, because I won't have any ability to download anything onto my computer because I'm not taking it. I'm also going to insert a battery here. On the bottom part, there's like a little tab. It's just to make it easier for the battery to come in and out of your GoPro. So that's really nice to have. And here I just wanted to show you that the cable also connects to where the battery is and where your SD card is. I'm just trying to get it open again so I can show you, but it does fit in that little section. Just a heads up, when I plugged my GoPro into my computer to test it out, it really did not recognize my GoPro at all with my MacBook. So I looked up how can I transfer my videos or pictures onto my computer, and it said you need some kind of SD adapter. So I ended up buying an SD adapter from Amazon to plug into my computer so that I can get the pictures and videos directly from the SD card. So it was like an SD card reader basically, because my computer is from 2015, so it's not as high end, so it didn't have an SD card insert as it was. So just a heads up. But here we go, we're gonna start looking at the GoPro. When you come in, it's asking what language you want to use, and it's just asking some different settings about what we do on the GoPro, and then it wants you to download the quick app, speed up the process of setting up your GoPro. So I'm gonna switch over to my iPhone now to show you what to do on the quick app so we can get that all situated and ready to go. All right, so here's the GoPro quick video editor app. You're gonna definitely want to download this. It's really cool. You can get all your pictures and videos directly onto this app where you can download straight to your phone. So this is what it looks like on the Apple store. So once you go in, you're gonna wanna create an account. So just put an email and password in, and then you're gonna connect your GoPro. So it's gonna search for it and let you know when it finds your GoPro. And then you're going to pair your camera. And this will take a little time since it's a new GoPro, it may need to update. So mine had to update for like, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. So it's gonna update when it asks to pair with your camera. So once it's all updated, you're gonna go in and you can see everything and change the name of your camera. You can access all your different pictures and videos. So very nice app. All right, now we're gonna go into the settings of the GoPro. So this first one that I found was just the zoom in and zoom out. And I'm just showing you here how much it zooms in and zooms out. It doesn't zoom in that much, but I really don't need that much zoom. And then here is the different video quality. Sorry, my camera was not adjusting to the tiny settings on here, but they also have the different wide shots. So there's like a super view. Hopefully you can see the wide shot. They also have a linear shot, which is like the normal setting. They have a linear / horizontal, and then they have the narrow shot, so it's a lot more narrow and smaller on the camera. So that's the narrow right there, so you can see the difference. I tend to use my linear or the wide. I feel like those two are the best options. They also have speed, so you can slow down the video, you can speed it up the video, or you can make the video go really fast. So that's a nice setting as well to change the speed. I probably won't use those as often, but I feel like those are more for sports. And here is the front part of the camera, so you can see yourself in the front part, which is very nice because I want to use this as a vlog camera so I can see myself when I'm vlogging, which most cameras today don't really do that. So I'm very excited that it has a front camera like that. And I'm just going to power off my camera here. That way I can show you the tripod at the bottom. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to attach the tripod to your GoPro, and this works for any attachment. It has the same concept. Each attachment has a little like 3-prong fork looking thing, and then those little screws that you use. So you're just gonna fold up the one on your GoPro, and then you're gonna stick the 3 prongs in the middle of those like this, and then you're just gonna attach the screw into it to keep it together, and that's how you attach every single attachment. But this tripod also extends, and I just figured that out when I was doing this part. So it does extend, so you can get it a little taller if you want. And now I'm just going to show you that you can use the same method with your other attachments as well to add onto your normal tripod that goes with your camera. You can add it onto your helmet. You can add it to the clip. And I'm sure there's a bunch more different types of attachments that you can use your GoPro with, but these are just the ones that I got in my kit. And for these attachments that have a little rubber tip on them, I just wanted to show you how you would put it on another thing. So you want to lift that rubber up, and then those 2 prongs you can start to push in. So then you would slide that onto whatever, bottom casing you're using. So like this, you're going to slide it in there with those 2 prongs, and then you would put down that rubber to keep it in place. Because I know for some people, we could not figure out like how to do it. So that's how you do it, and it keeps it in place. And so that's how you would attach it to those different attachments like the clip or like the one that goes on the helmet, and that will keep it secure on the base. Well, that is it for this unboxing video for my new Hero Black GoPro 10. If you have any questions or anything that you need to know specifically, you can leave down a comment. I absolutely love this. I used it recently in a vlog that I did, so I'll release that vlog with my camera. But I love the GoPro, honestly. It's very easy to move around, very small and compact, so it's not like you're carrying a giant camera around. You don't get to waste your phone battery if you're filming off that. It's perfect for vlogging. It's just a perfect small camera that has great quality. So I highly recommend this to anyone. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.